I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna get right to the point. I'm gonna get right to it. Y'all know how much I love synthetic wigs. Excuse the packaging. I have family members who love to open my mail for me. Yeah, so EBONYLINE sent me a synthetic wig and I'm super excited to try this because this is one of the newest synthetic wigs out there right now. So this is Bobbi Boss. If you can see, this is Bobbi Boss's glueless lace wig. She's in the style Paisley, I believe. Hold on. Yeah, she's in the style Paisley. And she's in the color right here. This is what she looks like on the model already. You know, it's not too bad. It looks very thick, like coarse. This is what it's showing me on the card, 13 by 4, and then it's pre-plucked. Y'all, go ahead and just click that like button. I'm not even asking you to subscribe. I'm just asking you to click the like button. So, hold it down. This is what the hair looks like. Okay. This is what the hair looks like straight out the package. The net is still on the hair. Okay, it's pretty long. It's actually a very nice color. It's kind of like, on camera it probably looks a little bit more silver, but it's really like a dirty blonde. Okay, so off touch, it's a bit rough. The hair is very rough. This is my first time doing a Bobbi Boss unit. I've never done Bobbi Boss before. Usually, you know, I would do sensational wet lace or maybe an outre, but I heard a lot of good reviews about Bobbi Boss and I was like, you know what, I gotta try Bobbi Boss because why not? This is the wig. This is what it looks like. Let me back up for you guys. Really flowy. It's actually very, very, very pretty. The only thing is that it's a bit rough. Like, you know, it's not really smooth like wet lace. Sensational's wet lace. Sensational's wet lace feels very silky. This feels a little bit more on the yucky side, but I'm not gonna let that take away from the look. And I don't mean to keep on comparing this wig to Sensational Wet Lace, but Sensational Wet Lace is unmatched. The knots on this wig, I don't know if you guys can see, the knots are a bit big and dark, but other than that, I think I can do a good job of making this look better. Okay, so I remember somebody telling me not to use powder brushes on my synthetics, and I always listen, so I never use powder brushes on my synthetics anymore, and I use wide tooth combs. I'm gonna comb it out for you guys so you guys can see. This is the first initial comb out. Okay, no, not really any tangles, more like a little knots, but the comb goes through it. Okay, stiff wear. Stiff wear. Wig comes with 3 combs, one right here. It might be 4. One right here, one right here, one I believe in the nape. Oh no, it doesn't have one right here. Usually it has one right here, but it doesn't have one. And it has one in the back, along with, it has adjustable straps. This wig is not big head friendly, I won't lie to you. My head is not big, in my opinion. And usually when I try on these wigs, there's mad space, but even without tightening the band and I had tried to put it on, it wouldn't go on much, if that makes sense. So I don't think this wig is big head friendly. You guys can definitely try at your own risk, but I personally am going to give you my non-professional opinion, and I don't think this wig is big head friendly. So if you have a big head, maybe go try outre. Like, this is a little thick. This is a little thick. But look at it right now, it just looks very much Barbie. Very much, you know? So I'm gonna pluck this a little bit and I'll be back. Alright, so after a long hour of plucking, I think I finally got the hairline to somewhere better. I didn't pluck the sides here because I got lazy, but I plucked all up here and I think it looks way better.
Baby, just do it for you. When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know. Cause your time is money and I won't let them waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it. Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. Or act like you're my girl, let's skip the basics. Whoa, no. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're putting on. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, a collectible, just like fine China. Favorite.
Alright, I'm finally done with my hair. And my lighting is really bad, so I'm gonna try to take you guys somewhere. This is the final product. What do you guys think? How did I do? I'm gonna rate this hair like 6.5 out of 10. Very tangly. Very, very, very tingly. And you guys already know that I don't like when hair feels yucky. And this is more on the yucky side of synthetic and not on the silky. And I don't like that. So that's that. But other than that, I think it's very cute. If you want something quick and like for like one night or something like that, then this is definitely the one to go to. But yeah, what do you guys think? Lace is okay. The lace itself, it definitely HD, definitely does what it needs to do, but the hairline, it could be a little bit more plucked, you know? It wasn't very, but yeah, other than that, I think it's a cute unit, and the color is very beautiful. Now I'm able to run my fingers through it, but give it like 20 minutes and it's gonna be tangled like crazy. Can't see any tracks, at least I don't think. Yeah, definitely check this wig out. Thank you so much, EBONYLINE, for sending me this wig. Everything will be in the description box. The link to this wig, all the tools I use. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my socials. Follow me on Instagram at hey.sef. Follow me on TikTok at Sevahor, and follow me on Twitter at Sevahor. Yeah. Sorry I didn't give you guys a more in-depth video, but I'm in a rush and I gotta go. So hope you guys enjoy your night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, yo, first of all, hold on. First of all, don't mind me. I apologize for my appearance right now, but it's been a long day. Today is Saturday, July 22nd. It's been about 3 weeks since I've had this install in. To tell you the truth, the install is not surviving. This is pretty much how I keep it. I keep it up in a little clip. I clip it in the back. And I keep it like this because it's just, I don't know if you guys can see. Maybe. The ends are cut. Look at this hair, y'all. Like, the ends are just so beyond fried. Like, this is not a joke. Look at this. Like, the ends of this hair. It was great while it lasted. The color is still beautiful in my opinion. But this hair, I legit had to keep brushing it like 10 times in like a 2-hour period. This is all we're going. Yeah, it's like not an AF. Like, look at the ends, bro. This wig lasted me all of, I would say, a week. I'm not gonna say it lasted me 3 weeks, because after like week 1 I was already wearing this up and away. I believe the first day I wore this hair, which was the same day that I installed it, the same day I filmed the first half of this video. I like went out to like a club, and my hair definitely did not last throughout the night. Not sure if that had to do with like the club being hot, humidity in the air, something like that, but definitely didn't last me. But yeah, that's the 3-week update. I still recommend it for like quick, on the go, easy, cheap hairstyles, and if you need something really like affordable and immediately, I definitely would say go check this hair out. Link is in the description. You can check in with EBONYLINE. Don't forget to follow them. Follow me on my socials. Links to everything will be in the description box. Follow me on all my socials, and I hope you guys have a great day. See you guys in my next video. Bye.